Guys, got a straightforward query for you. Feeling worn out upon awakening despite plenty of shut eye. Noticing your firmness down there lacks the old reliability. Perhaps your stamina seeps out gradually hour by hour. Performance. If this rings true, hang tight because the info ahead goes beyond typical maturity shifts. It signals a vital gap your system highlights, an alert that a core element lacks presence. And the thrilling aspect, addressing it skips costly meds or hazardous ops. Often it boils down to a single vital element during specific hours, basic, secure, and remarkably potent. Prior to jumping deeper, I'd appreciate your backing for this space. Performance. Tap that thumbs up, leave a note saying your location, and smash subscribe to catch all upcoming wellness tips for guys. All right, time to unpack the evening processes within your frame. Countless fellows past 60 mention performance. Expert, probably standard for advancing years. Yet I halt them immediately since nope, age alone isn't the culprit. When fatigue lingers endlessly, stiffness diminishes, passion wanes, performance, that's far from your life cycle progression. In reality, your overnight repair mechanism falters. Understand darkness hours extend past eyelid closure and dozing. That's prime time for bodily overhaul. Hit maximum channels in private areas renew and widen gland, eases swelling down, plus cellular energy hubs revive, priming you to arise vigorous, sharp, and geared up should this setup crumble. Initial breakdowns hit manhood strength, daily drive, and rest depth. Positive side, reversal is possible, frequently tied to one neglected compound that nearly all males beyond 60 lack sufficiently. Newcomers, performance. I'm Elias from Winds of Thought, a seasoned wellness advisor and vitality specialist boasting more than a decade in practice. I've consulted endless gentlemen, lots in 60s, 70s, 80s too. Performance, convinced peak times faded permanently. Repeatedly witnessing basics revival, particularly rest and rejuvenation, sparks assurance, closeness, and zest they deemed lost forever. Today, performance. I'll guide you on that soul substance aiding firmness, hormone levels, and slumber simultaneously. The top 3 errors guys commit attempting it, plus proper application to emerge refreshed, powered, and extra lively. Okay, performance, starting the list. Error 1, overlooking shortfall in that element. Let's be frank, prime substance males miss out on is that calming agent. What makes it crucial? Physiologically, performance, it acts as relaxation trigger for nerve pathways. Lacking adequate amounts, your frame remains in vigilant state. You might not off, yet profound healing rest evades you. Mentally, this results in rising, hazy, grumpy performance. Weighed down and downhearted. Truthfully, exhaustion turns closeness into chore over delight. In practice, prolonged shortage manifests via reduced stiffness, frequent nocturnal restroom visits, fidgety limbs, sensing unrested, thus experiencing diminished peaceful evenings and scarcer dawn firmness. Avoid pinning it solely on years piled up. Possibly that agent stealthily depletes. Error 2, selecting improper variety. This spot trips up numerous fellows squandering cash. They enter a store snatch budget option tagged oxide type, assuming coverage, huge error. Oxide variant absorbs poorly. Performance, mostly triggers gut distress and loose bowels minus genuine gains. For males past 60, variants truly counting include glycinate form, operates straight on restful nerve branch, aiding unwind, ease stiff tissues, form and sink into richer slumber. It widens flow paths too, setting base for robust dawn firmness. 3 in it kind, this penetrates mind barrier, assists quiet swirling ideas, lessen evening worries. Performance. And hone recall plus concentration, aiming for superior rest, enhanced firmness, revive drive. These varieties deliver. Error 3, consuming during incorrect periods. Schedule matters hugely. That agent soothes. System rest is secure. Morning intake brings drowsiness. Forfeiting precise evening repair perks required. Optimal slot half hour to hour pre-sleep. Ingest alongside heated liquid or herbal brew. Lower illumination stash device. Signal your frame downtime approaches. Maintain routine and system starts realigning. Error 4, anticipating immediate outcomes. Vital point here. Performance. That agent differs from stimulant or quick fix tablet. It builds progressively evening upon evening, building steadily. Majority notice initial evenings, quicker dozing, fuller ease. Close of initial week. Performance. Heightened morning drive, reduced restroom interruptions, firmer dawn responses, following fortnight steadiness, steady 6 to 8 rest hours, steadier temperament, sharper attention, organic desire boost, core term steadiness, skip evenings, momentum slips. So implementing this, pick correct kind, seek glycinate or 3 in it types, consume appropriate amount, begin modest. 200 milligrams glycinate or 1,000 milligrams 3 in it, tweak as necessary. Establish pre-sleep habit. Illumination reduced, screens off, agent with heated fluid. Retire soon after. Combine wisely. Link that agent to metallic element and B vitamin 6. Term combo for amplified impacts on hormone, tissue mend, and passion. Extra advice, merge with light evening limbering. Relieving tissue strain pre-rest. Agent performs superior. Pause briefly now. If ponder and visor seems I've fallen too far behind, perhaps beyond reach for me. Listen closely, not beyond reach. Witness gentlemen late 70s believing closeness vanish eternally, yet reclaim bonds poise and happiness post-rest and rejuvenation revival. This avoids youth pursuit, centers on recapturing respect, liberty, Performance and capacity to greet dawn prepared for existence. Fellows wearing a shallow rest, waning firmness. These aren't unavoidable maturity markers. They're shortage indicators, and shortage is mendable. Performance. Your frame retains potential for robustness, liveliness, and closeness, yet requires collaboration. Demands you supply proper aids commencing evenings. Thus this evening, advance that move. Bolster your rest. Bolster mend. Performance, bolster manhood essence. Since doing so, you transform not merely evenings, but daylight bonds and tomorrow. Should this content aid you, kindly thumbs up for broader reach to fellows. Note beneath, share your viewing spot. Performance, enjoy observing global group forming. Plus, subscribe to Winds of Thought for additional advice customized for fellows like yourself. You merit poise, you merit drive, you merit peaceful rest and closeness, vibrant and new.